Hello friends, are you facing there was a problem with server 400 on YouTube? So here is the solution. Please follow me. Let's go to Play Store. Let's find it. Click on this. Find YouTube. Click on it. If update is available, please update it. Either you just go back. Now we need to go in phone settings. Let's find it. Tap on settings. Find apps option. Tap on apps. Tap on app management. You can see here. Let's find YouTube. You can directly search here. Now we just need to click on force stop. So here we will tap on it. Click on force stop. Now click on storage usage. Tap on it. And now we need to click on clear cache. So here is the option. Tap on it. Now we need to click on clear data. Tap on it. Read this message carefully. This app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted. So please make sure before clicking on this option, you just need to make sure that if you want to delete or not. So if you are doing this, you have to click on it and your data will be deleted permanently. And go back. Restart the phone. After restarting, you will be able to see your YouTube problem is resolved. Click on allow. Now you can see we are able to see YouTube videos and everything you can see. And I think this video is going to help you out. If you're liking this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.